Hi friends, so we're going to cut out today our number 5 and I'm going to show you, you're going to take your scissors and we're going to just cut on the line, cut on the line. I'm going to let that part drop off and this line's just a little bit. I'm going to turn it, cutting, and notice my thumb is up. Now, a lot of my friends are just working on cutting out squares. So for those friends, if you're just cutting straight edges, just cut it like a square. Some of my friends are learning to cut around things. So we're going to cut that kind of like a puzzle. And it is okay to do it either way. But if you are learning to cut around and you feel comfortable to practice, look, I'm going to do little snips here. Snip, 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 little snip, 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 and I can cut the rest. Okay, so since orange is our color this week, I'm going to use a piece of orange paper